What's up you guys, it's your girl Loverlee and I am back with another video, and you see the thumbnail and the title. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing a flower wall, and shout out to Rose Morning for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be unboxing their brand new Yaya wall, which is their pampas grass 10x8 wall. If you guys would like to see the full unboxing, make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And as a gift to you guys from Rose Morning and myself, you can get 10% off any order on their website. The link to their direct website will be in the description box down below, as well as the promo code that you guys can use to get 10% off. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Alright guys, so I have my two giant boxes here with my flower wall. I think the flower walls are split into two, so one half is in one box and then the other half is in the other box. So I'm gonna go ahead with my knife and cut open these babies. I'm super excited to see what it looks like. And in the boxes they send extra flour in case any of them fall off of your wall, so that is pretty good. I think you get extra flowers in both packs. Yep, just in case. So I'm gonna just set these to the side for now. Okay. Oh my freaking gosh. You guys. Oh my goodness. It's so freaking cute. That is freaking cute. Okay. Oh my god. This wall is freaking cute. I love it. So which side is the top? I think this side is the top. Alright guys, so I think this side is the top, and they both come with pole pocket, which means it's going to be super easy to put onto my stand. I'm going to go ahead and lay out these. Oh, it's so good. Alright guys, so now that I have the flower wall outside of the box, I'm going to be attaching it to my pipe and drape stand back here, which is about 10x8, and it's the same size as the flower wall. I'm going to be inserting the top pole into the pole pockets that's attached to the flower wall already, which is super convenient. Alright guys, so these are the two walls separated, and they come with these strings to attach them in the middle so that there is no space when you stand in front of the flower wall. So I'm going to tie all the strings now to bring the flower wall together to make one piece. I'm just going to tie it like this. down here. Make sure that you push all the flour to the front. And you also have strings on the ends to attach it to your pole for extra security, especially if it's like an outdoor event and you need to like attach it to the side. It's just for extra security. Alright you guys, so here is the final look for the flower wall. I am so in love with it. I literally took it out of the box, put it up on my stand, didn't even have to fluff it out to look full or anything because it just comes out perfect. I really love it. You know, when you normally buy other like flower wall or grass walls, you have to do a little sprucing up for it to look full, but for this wall I literally did not have to do anything, and I love that so much. If you guys would like to purchase this flower wall, which is called the Yaya wall, it is their brand new pampas grass flower wall. It's on their website. If you'd like to purchase it, the link for that will be in the description box down below, as well as the link to their official website where you can find a whole bunch of different types of flower walls and stuff like that. And if you'd like to get 10% off your purchase, remember you can use the promo code Loverlee to get your discount at checkout. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this video. Do you like the flower wall? Are you gonna purchase to test it out for yourself? You can trust me guys, I don't lie. I don't lie at all. I really like this wall. Only 6 leaves fell off of the whole wall, which is great because I really expected more leaves to fall off, but it didn't. But if you guys are subscribed to my channel already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and also let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this video. But until next time, I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.